Hey, welcome back to Shelly's Homestead Hideaway. If you are new here, I am Shelly. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and watching my channel once again. Today, I want to focus on something that I believe we should all include in our gardens, and that is decor. Garden decor is important to me. And so today I'm going to show you a few of the items that I have been collecting just this year, but I will also include either pictures or videos of some of the other items that I have established throughout the garden. Although this year, because we are completely transforming the garden into the hideaway, I will be probably moving those items around. But I want you guys to see it, and definitely leave a comment. Let me know how important is decor in your garden or not. And I would love to see some other content where you are sharing what decorations you have in your garden. Because the theme of my channel, of course, is not just to harvest vegetables, but is also to have a place of serenity and peace. And you can probably hear the birds chirping, and it's just so peaceful and lovely to come out first thing in the morning. I mean, the birds are just talking. First thing in the morning, but they talk all throughout the day. So today I want to show you a couple pieces. You can probably already see this one on the camera. This is something that I grabbed, a pink flamingo. How cool is that? I don't know where she's going to go in the garden. She needs some cleaning up because, of course, y'all know these big box stores, they don't keep the stuff clean. And I bought this a few weeks ago at least. It's actually probably been a month since I bought it. I don't recall what the original price was on it, but I did get this from the Lowe's in my area on discount clearance for $11. May have been 11 and some change, but I just thought she'd be cute and fun to add to the backyard hideaway. Some other items that I got even before that one, I think I found these in the, I don't know if I got these from a dollar store or, you know, 5 and 10 or what. But these are, I'm not even, oh, okay, so it does say on the bottom. These are some little hedgehogs. How cute are these? And they're not that deep, so it will be really cute to plant something small in here, possibly some succulents. And I'm contemplating whether or not I should paint them. So let me know in the comments. Do you think I should paint them? What color should I paint them? I could paint them, I guess, the brownish tan, which is their natural color, or we could go with something fun, because we don't have to be exact in the garden, right? We can be creative. So I might decide to paint them something fun. Here I also have a figurine, and this is not a squirrel. This is a chipmunk, if I'm not mistaken. A chipmunk. But again, I thought it was cute. I picked it up, and I'm going to find somewhere in the garden for it to go. The last piece similar to that is this bird that I picked up. And I was so upset, y'all. I was so upset because I had these sitting by the garage door for a long time next to the sofa. And I kept saying, I hope those don't get broke. I hope those don't get broke. And sure enough, and I think I was the one who did it, came in, and I think something fell and knocked these two over, and this one actually got damaged right there. So I am going to probably find something to seal this off so that nothing can crawl up in there and don't get a lot of water build up in there. Yeah, I hear some pieces in there. Wind is whipping. Yeah, so I'm gonna find something. I might have to find some foam stuff to squirt in there and close this off. All right, last but certainly not least, and it probably won't be the last thing, I have been sitting on this for I probably had this for a week and a half or two now. Have not opened it. I wanted to share it with my community first. So let me see. I don't even know how this is done. I was on my Facebook account one day perusing one of the garden groups that I belong to, and I saw something that someone posted and I fell in love with it. I had to know where they got it. I ended up going onto the website and I ordered these. There are two of them here. Oh, how cool. Okay, so let me see. So I ordered this from Black Art in America. And okay, I see there's a thank you for your support card in here. They have instructions on how to install the art as well as their social media handles. Our story. This in 2017, after living in condos and lofts in Atlanta, Georgia artists Najee and Satiria Dorsey bought a home and wanted their yard to reflect their love of art. Starting a garden was one of the things that they were really interested in. Najee, I'm not sure, I think it's Najee, said after searching online unsuccessfully for a unique African-American lawn art for the garden, the couple decided to create their own. And soon after, Garden Art for the Soul was born. Our garden art is made of durable materials designed for years of outdoor or indoor enjoyment. This is the only garden art I have encountered that directly reflects my cultural experience. It is a beautiful yet sturdy and apparently long-lasting. Keep putting them out. And that was one of the reviews written in here. And I have to say that that's what spoke to me the most, is that their artwork definitely reflected the culture. They also have in here a sticker, which I will find somewhere to put that. And it looks like there is a newspaper. They have it actually, let me show y'all how it's. Hey honey, I'm videoing. They have it in here. And there's a newspaper. Oh, I can't wait to read this, but they have this sealed in here like this. All right. I should get my husband to come out here and see if he don't know I got this. I'm gonna put it out in the garden and wait for him to see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate these. BuyBlackArt.com. I am not an affiliate. I'm just sharing with you all what I found and fell in love with and decided to purchase. All right. I think I finally see it down in there. All right, are you ready? Okay, this one is, they have it well packaged. This is the beautiful Soil Sister. I thought she was absolutely beautiful and will stand in the garden to reflect me. I like. I think this is some sort of metal on the outside of it. I'll lay her right there. And let's get this one open. They had so many designs. It was very hard for me to decide. And these are the large size, because they had them in a small size and large size. And I purchased the large size because I really want these two in particular to stand out. Now the one thing about this one, I wanted to get it because I have Soil Sister for myself, and while I don't think this guy looks, he doesn't look anything like my husband, I had to get it to represent him in the garden. And this one, if I'm not mistaken, is called the Soil Brother. So we have Soil Sister and the Soil Brother. I love these, and I hope my husband likes them too. He is affectionately called the hired helper in the garden here. So when you see my posts and or videos and I'm talking about the hired helper, I am talking about my husband. He is phenomenal about helping do the heavy lifting when it comes to the garden. I focus on the vegetables and decor stuff, but when the heavy lifting stuff needs to be done, he is absolutely out here getting it done. In fact, he did a bed yesterday out in the rain, and I was so appreciative of it. But we will be putting a greenhouse together, and I'm looking forward to that, and actually thinking that once the greenhouse is together, one of these, possibly my piece, may stand near the door. We're going to be putting a greenhouse together, and what I am thinking is that I'm going to put my piece, the Soil Sister, near the doorway of the greenhouse once we get that together. And so with that, I'm going to close out this video because I do have a live chat coming up and I have some other things to do. But I just want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my video, and make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Turn on that bell so that you get the notifications when I upload new content. Thank you, and have an amazing day on purpose.